Hi luxurious queens, welcome back to Life with Loki, and today I will be doing a Lux chit chat and get real and raw about luxury spending, pre-spending and attaining purse piece with Hermes. And of course I have a special unboxing which I got from Hermes, which we will be doing later in the video. Hello for those of you queens, welcome to my safe space where I love chit-chatting about all things frivolous like luxury, handbags and the like. I enjoy shopping from vintage to pre-love and love discussing about Hermes. So if you're also into content like this, then I would warmly love to welcome you to join my little corner and subscribe, and of course give me a thumbs up to support a small YouTuber like myself. So like all YouTubers, I watch many other luxury channels as well and indulge myself in content like this. I get updated about the newest luxury handbags, the newest seasonal colors, the price comparisons, reviews and such, and I must say I find them all very helpful myself. One of which caught my eye is a really interesting video by Dale from Dale's Addiction about her luxury mindset, luxury minimalism, curating and luxury abundance. If you haven't watched that video, a little shout out to Dale from Dale's Addiction, and I will leave the links down below as Dale gets real and raw about her perspective on luxury and her overall mindset on it. This got me thinking a little, and I must say my collection is nowhere as varied as hers, and I am absolutely addicted to the Hermes brand. I still enjoy my collection a lot, and I enjoy watching others curating a more varied collection in theirs, and of course we respect all other luxies in this space, yet still have a common interest in luxury. From an outsider perspective, I know it may seem very one-dimensional and boring, only having Kellys and Birkins and random Uakua, which is a Birkin lookalike, in my bag collection. But I also wondered to myself if I will ever attain purse piece with Hermes. Well, when I first started loving and liking luxury, I aimed only to buy what I wanted and coveted, and that could be a discontinued bag, design, material or size. I wasn't going after new trends or had to have the newest bag or color. Hence, you may see many vintage bags in my collection, as I often purchase from resellers which still carried those bags I was interested in. Truth be told, I am and also at heart and indulge in classics, vintage designs and leathers. However, as I got into this loop of luxury lifestyle, I realized that the handbags were probably not enough, and I wanted more accessories, belts, shoes, ready to wear, etc. to match the outfit, a sprinkle of luxury here and there. Of course, I could still keep going down the reseller route, picking out bags that interest me, and sometimes it could come at a cheaper price than retail. However, I also realized that these luxury brands actually feed our obsession with curating or hoarding, and make it rightly so. For example, some brands like Hermes suggest building a pre-spend of items and encouraging us to amass a variety of goodies across all categories before being offered a classic bag to call your own. And buying these random goodies in itself is also difficult to amass and curate, as more often than not, and for some reason, they are always out of stock. Sometimes I catch the SA saying just buy what they have now, as there is no promise the boutique will receive this item in this color in the next few months, and that FOMO feeling is like the extra push for you to buy what you don't really like. And personally, I don't like that feeling of compromise as a paying customer in a luxury boutique. I stand strong in how I feel about luxury, to buy what I love and not let the SA lead me by the nose on how I should spend my money. SAs have sales targets to meet, and of course the higher the spend, the better it is for them. But do they really have my interest at heart? I can't say that all SAs are that transparent in their connections, and that also depends on the incentive structure of the brand. Personally, I enjoyed my shopping experience at the Hermes FSH boutique, where I was given the freedom to buy what I like. I took my time deciding and trying them on with no pressure, no coercion, and with an array of choice in colors and designs, but not the same feeling as at my local boutique, which I may share another day. I share my sentiments about the luxury mindset with Dale, the feeling of abundance, the freedom, the excessiveness in what brings me true joy, the feeling of attaining what I really want and not compromising on the quality, the design, the color, etc., or the just buy what we have mindset. Luxury brands need to understand that if they want to feed a hungry crowd of clients craving for a luxury experience, then maybe they should produce more of these baits for us to indulge in. Luxury isn't about being put on a waiting list just for a random purse or shoe in a specific color. Luxury is wanting it now and getting it now. And because of this expectation of mine, I feel the frustration of many ladies, including myself, not being able to purchase what I want. And of course, the more we are put on waiting lists, the longer we wait, the more we lose that feeling of excitement about luxury and sometimes even forget that we are on the wait list. I think if luxury brands want to encourage pre-spend, then please also stock the boutiques well with pre-spend items so we can relive this luxury experience we once had. Constantly stalking Hermes websites or checking out reseller platforms for miscellaneous pre-spend items is not one bit luxurious in my opinion. Luxury is the freedom of spending our money how we want it and what we want with it. Of course, it will be appreciated if SAs suggest or recommend the newest items or what works with your personal aesthetics, but not that take it or leave it attitude. I'm not sure if other ladies who love luxury set any expectations of the experience like myself, but if you do drop me your experiences and comments down below. I will love to hear what you think. Now, moving on to purse piece with Hermes, I often think to myself how many handbags is ever enough. It is a difficult question, especially for a handbag lover like myself. And because I love colors and classic styles, and we all know Hermes does colors so well, I am constantly baited with the numerous colors and leathers the brand has ever made. And what's worse, Hermes keeps making new and beautiful colors every season. Take for example, chasing the beautiful crays and natas and batons, and now Hermes makes another beautiful neutral called mushroom, or the pink sakuras, mauve Sylvester, and there pops up a new mauve pale. Vert Criquet is a gorgeous color, and the new Vert Fizz is quite eye-catching as well. Is there ever an end to it? Personally, purse piece is not really referring to the number of bags in my bag collection, but it is the inner piece which I am comfortable to know that I have a nice collection of handbags for my lifestyle. I'm not a celebrity, I'm not going to mega gala events or under the watchful eye of paparazzis where I need to tote a new bag all the time. I don't write fashion columns or fashion blogs where I need the newest and hottest in bag. I don't compare my bag collection to anybody else, and maybe in fact, I really am at purse piece. I have a varied colored bag collection and I enjoy each of them and use them. I create new and lasting memories with them, and of course I don't chase pre-spends and get upset because I have to compromise. And that I feel is a luxury in itself on how I want to spend my money. Sometimes I buy frivolous items which makes my day even if the price tag is unjustifiable, but oh well, that's life, we only live once. Which also brings me to this new frivolous purchase of mine, which is, are you ready? Alright, so can you guess? Just give a guess. Are you ready? So cute, it's so cute. Ta-da! Now I have here this gorgeous rodeo in a beautiful shade of mauve Sylvester, and crepe for the tail and the horse mane, and chai for the seats with the strap. And she is in the PM size, which is the smallest size for the rodeo. And of course, why I've put all these random bags with me here is because I think this could potentially match with a few colored bags that I have. So first up, I have my Jean Kelly Cellier in the size 32. And oh my god, look how gorgeous she is. It's so cute. It's like a very playful pop of color. Isn't she beautiful? And of course, if we're kind of bored of the jaune, we will go with the Rouvive in my Kelly 32 as well. And isn't she lovely? Like, it really brings out the Mount Sylvester color. I was thinking of matching this with my Picotan 22, but that's in Mount Sylvester as well, and literally the entire rodeo kind of blends into the belt, so that's probably not a good idea, but I think this goes so well. And another bag which I have and I've not really been using over the last few weeks is this beautiful Lindy 30 in the color Blue Paradise. Yes. And isn't she such a cute color? Just look at that. I mean, I have yet to find a nice twilly for her for this blue color. And well, I might think about getting like some nice twillies for this bag. But don't you think the color is such a dream? Like the whole pastel color shade goes so well. So anyway, this little rodeo has found a forever home in my bag collection. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's little Lux chit chat about how I feel about luxury spending, pre-spending, and ever-attaining purse piece. Let me know your thoughts and if purse piece is ever possible for you. What do you think of luxury pre-spending, say for Chanel or Louis Vuitton? Hope to hear from all of you, and of course remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. I will see you next week. It's gonna be fun because I have a little collaboration coming up, so stay tuned, queens, and goodbye.